Hey Lock family, Houston Lock Fairy back again with another video just to show you guys how to properly separate starter locks. So there's a wrong way and there's a right way, and unfortunately I do see the wrong way a lot on social media, watching you guys yank and pull at your client's hair to separate the locks. That can cause so much damage and can be very painful. So this is a better way, a less painful way, and a less damaging way to do it. Just comb through the roots as much as you can from every angle, every direction, until you have just a strand or two to pull apart, and that is way less damaging than yanking two locks apart. So try this way. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you use this method or not? Does it work for you? Let me know. And so in addition to that method, here's another bonus method. If the hairs just won't separate, if you can't get them to come apart no matter how much you comb, get your shears out. Get your scissors and cut the strands that are keeping the locks connected. Not a huge chunk, but get it down to minimal strands so that you're not damaging or messing up the integrity of the locks, just enough to separate the locks. And that's very important. So don't do this without proper training and proper guidance. You do not want to chop off someone's lock, okay? So if you can't comb through to separate the locks and it's still connected, go ahead and get your shears out and snip the hairs in between the locks to go ahead and separate them so you can complete your retwist. Okay, so those are two methods you guys can use. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.